Hi, this is Roger from Boatshed, Southampton. We're just having a look around the interior of this Bavaria 42. It's safe to say she is a bit of a project. As you can see at the moment, the sails etc. are stored in the saloon, but the owner has had a lot of work done on her recently, which is why she's in a little bit of a mess at the moment down below. Up into the fore cabin, big saloon table, another small seat and the navigation area with a well kitted out nav station, and then this is a twin aft cabin version, one to the left and one over here on the starboard. And she has two heads, one here and one back forward in the fore cabin. If you would like to know a bit more about this boat, why not give us a call at boatshedsouthampton.com.